Hello, Professor. This is a CRM training presentation aimed at newly hired pilots. Crew Resource Management (CRM) is the effective use of all available resources for flight crew personnel to assure a safe and efficient operation, reducing error, avoiding stress, and increasing efficiency. According to Cooper, White, and Lauder in 1980s, in 1979, NASA conducted a workshop titled Research Management on the Flight Deck. Analysis of the accident causes reveal 66% of air carriers, 79 of commuters, and 88 of general aviation accidents were the result of flight crew failures in interpersonal communication, decision making, and leadership, not weak technical flying skills. NASA held a workshop to discuss the CRM in 1981. United Airlines started a comprehensive CRM program, considered one of the first in the US after consulting with NASA. It has evolved to that point that the CRM became a standard worldwide by the 1990s. Nowadays, many airlines and military aviation organizations require their crews to take CRM training. The reason for this is that CRM training is now required for commercial pilots under most regulatory bodies, including the FAA in the US and the EASA in Europe. According to the FAA, SMS, or Safety Management System, is the formal top-down organization-wide approach to managing safety risk and assuring the effectiveness of safety risk controls. Quality products are achieved through effective teamwork and safety management and safety systems when using the CRM and the SMS. SMS technology changed aviation forever by shifting safety from a human error to a more comprehensive system. The four pillars of the SMS are the safety policy, the risk management, safety assurance, and safety promotion. Crew resource management training programs depend on the ways airlines define the above concepts. The culture of organization can be seen through its outward behaviors and visible manifestations such as beliefs, values, assumptions, rituals, uniforms, symbols, and other distinctive features. Crew research management is an attitude, and crew members must be predisposed to accept this attitude, and through training and contemplation itself is not a technical skill. Rather, is it a behavioral pattern which can be enhanced through training in certain technical skills which are part of it. Before hiring a new worker, establish a rapport with them that builds understanding and empathy. This should last through the employee's entire career. In higher power distance cultures, subordinates avoid approaching their superiors directly and hesitate to disagree with them. In such cultures, individuals are most unwilling to participate in decision making. Subordinates are afraid to express disagreement, producing potential risk situations in the cabin that can be avoided. In many cases, accidents can be prevented by the combined actions of both the captain and the copilot. This often happens because one or both of them refuse to correct the captain's errors. A flight control tower (ATC) might also be caused by an accident. If flight crews come from a culture with a low power distance, they might not appropriately communicate with the control tower, and a potential accident situation could happen. The key components of the CRM training are the goal of the safe flight, cooperation and communication between the pilots, the ATC, cabin crews, and dispatch, then monitoring of internal and external situations for threats like the poor teamwork, weather, terrain, the fuel state, location of the aircraft in regards of the flight plan, and feedback to enable practices to be adjusted and threats to be evaluated. Awareness of the current state of both internal onboard the aircraft and external operations, aircraft instructions, environment, weather, and threats. Threats detection through awareness of the situation, and finally, threat response through the expertise coming from the training and the standardization of the operating procedures, the coordination, and communication. Here's some reference I use for my presentation. Thank you for watching.